Top 4 universities with data science program.
University number 4, Stanford University. Stanford offers a data science program that integrates computer science, statistics, and domain expertise. You have the opportunity to collaborate with industry leaders, gain practical experience through internships and research projects, to excel in your career. University number 3, Carnegie Mellon University. Carnegie Mellon offers specialized programs combining computer science, statistics, and machine learning. You will benefit from a vibrant research community, working alongside world-class faculty and industry professionals, that will help you to acquire skills to tackle complex data challenges in your career. University number 2, University of California, Berkeley. The curriculum of University of California emphasizes practical aspects of data analysis and machine learning, equipping you with the necessary tools for success. Proximity to the tech hub of the Bay Area provides opportunities for internships and networking. University number 1, Harvard University. Harvard University claims the top spot on our list. Its rigorous data science program combines theory and practice, will teach you to apply statistical techniques, data visualization, and machine learning algorithms to solve real-world problems.
Subscribe to our channel for more such videos.